Set GG Physics, question number 99. An object is placed at a distance of 40 centimeters from a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeters. If the object is displaced through a distance of 20 centimeters towards the mirror, the distance of the image will be 1. 30 centimeters towards the mirror, 2. 36 centimeters, 3. 36 centimeters away from the mirror, or 4. 30 centimeters away from the mirror. According to the question, UI is minus 40 centimeters and Fi is minus 15 centimeters. So we know that 1 plus Vi plus 1 plus Ui is equal to 1 plus F. So from this we can calculate the value of Vi. 1 upon Vi plus 1 upon minus 40 is equal to 1 upon minus 50. Through this the value of Vi will be minus 24 centimeters. Now let's talk about Uf. So Uf is minus 20 centimeters according to the question, and F is still minus 15 centimeters. So we are going to use the formula 1 upon Vf plus 1 upon Uf is equal to 1 upon F. From this we will calculate the value of Vf. So 1 upon Vf plus 1 upon minus 20 is equal to 1 upon minus 15. Through this the value of Vf will be minus 60 centimeters. So in the question we are asked the displacement of the image, that is the shift of the image. That can be calculated by the difference of Vf and Vi, that is 60 minus 24, that is 36 centimeters, and that is away from the mirror. Therefore the correct answer is choice 3.